With the holidays just around the corner, this time of year is not only popular for gift giving, but it is also very popular for getting tattooed. So with that being said, I figured it would only be right to talk about some awesome tattoo aftercare products. Because one, these are awesome gift ideas for you to get somebody that either has pre-existing tattoos or plans on getting a new tattoo in the near future. Or of course, two, you might want to add some of these products onto your wish list this year. So in today's video, we're going to be going over the 5 best tattoo aftercare products that you could get that are going to make your tattoos look amazing. But hey, real quick, leave a comment below on your favorite product that you use on your tattoos. I would love to know. If you're interested in any one of these products, they're all going to be listed and linked down in the video description. So yeah, find them there. Now, each one of these products I personally used at some point in my tattoo journey, but with that being said, let's get on to the first tattoo aftercare product that I recommend, and that is Hustle Butter Deluxe. Now, if you already have pre-existing tattoos, you probably already know what Hustle Butter Deluxe is because, well, tattoo artists, they always seem to recommend it. It is 100% organic, 100% natural, and it smells freaking amazing. Now, the reason why I love Hustle Butter Deluxe so much is because it is just one of those tattoo aftercare products that are good for the whole tattoo process. Whether it's getting the tattoo actually applied, healing the tattoo, or just using it to moisturize the skin to really make that tattoo pop, this product, it pretty much does it all. I also want to add that if you're the type of person that has sensitive skin like I do, when using this product, I never really notice any kind of skin irritation that I usually get with other tattoo aftercare products, or I noticed that it never really clogged my skin. So yeah, that is something I appreciate. And speaking of irritation, my tattoo artist uses this product to apply all of my tattoos, and I gotta say, not only when he uses this product does the tattoo get applied much easier and faster, but it also allows my skin to not be all irritated and red like I usually get from getting tattooed for a long period of time. Hustle Butter Deluxe gets 2 big thumbs up from me. Now, the next product that I recommend you checking out is the Tattoo Goo Aftercare Kit. This is another one of those tattoo aftercare products that are good for new or pre-existing tattoos. Now, it comes in a box, and inside of that box comes with 4 different tattoo aftercare products that are for different stages of the tattoo. The Tattoo Goo Healing Ointment is for the early stages of the tattoo. You got the Tattoo Goo Lotion, the Deep Cleansing Soap to wash your tattoo, and of course, the Tattoo Goo Sunscreen. Each one of these products smell great. They're really easy to apply, and the instructions you get are super easy to follow. And also, they come in really small containers, and a little bit goes a long way with this product. So you'll have it for a while, and it's also really convenient to carry places. Because if you don't know, carrying around all those different products like the soap and lotion, you know, it could be super annoying. This, it's all nice and small, and it can be easily thrown in your bag, so when you're out on the town, you got everything you need. And like I said earlier, this product is literally everything you need to make sure your tattoo heals up nice and looks awesome for days, months, and years to come. So you don't have to go to the store and buy each individual product. It all comes in one package, which is pretty awesome. And for everything that you get for this product for your tattoos, it's really affordable. So yeah, I recommend it. Okay, so the next product that I would recommend you use for your tattoos, and it's actually the one that I am currently using, and that is Mad Rabbit Tattoo Balm. Now, I've recently stumbled upon this product on an ad on the internet somewhere, and of course, when I saw it and having a YouTube channel that's based around tattoos, I had to try it. Now, this product isn't really for healing a tattoo. It's more for your pre-existing tattoos and breathing new life into them. Now, when I first used Mad Rabbit, I'm not gonna lie, I was a little bit skeptical, but over time when I started to use it more and more, I started to really notice a difference, and I noticed I was getting more compliments on my tattoos when using this product. This is another tattoo aftercare product that is all natural, and it's pretty darn easy to apply. I'm not gonna lie, when you first put the product on your skin, it's gonna feel a little bit weird, but then once you rub it in and the product breaks down, the application process, it actually turns out to be pretty damn easy. This is also a really good product for somebody that really wants to make their tattoos pop without having too much of a smell coming off their skin. There's a slight hint of lemon with this product, but nothing too strong. And I do want to say it comes in another small, conveniently carried tin that you could pretty much take everywhere and always make sure your tattoos are popping. That sounded kind of cheesy, but you get the gist. But yeah, perfect for a stocking stuffer. Okay, so the next tattoo aftercare product that I would recommend you checking out is the H2 Ocean Blue Green Foam. Now, this is the first tattoo aftercare product that I personally ever used, and I used it on my Leonardo da Vinci tattoo. And I gotta say, I was pretty impressed. This product is specifically made to gently wash and disinfect that new tattoo while at the same time keeping the colors of ink safe and vibrant. When washing my new tattoos with this product, I never really witnessed any kind of stinging or burning sensations like you typically get with other soaps that you use on new tattoos. But instead, it was more of like a soothing sensation. One other thing that I really appreciate about this product is that when I wash my tattoos with this, it never dries out my skin. Many of the other antibacterial soaps that I used on my tattoos before, they're great for cleaning the tattoo, but they're horrible at drying my tattoo out. And when it comes to having a new tattoo, that is a no-no. And this stuff lasts a long time. I remember the first bottle I got, it literally lasted me for the whole duration of like 3 tattoos. It was insane. But yeah, this is one of my favorite tattoo aftercare products, and I recommend you trying it out because you'll probably end up loving it too. Coming in next on our list for the best tattoo aftercare products is the Viking Revolution Tattoo Balm. This product is a lot like the Mad Rabbit Tattoo Balm that we talked about earlier, but the difference is this product is actually good for healing the tattoo as well as making the tattoo pop. Can always appreciate a multi-purpose product, you know? This is another tattoo aftercare product that has all natural ingredients that are known for their healing enhancements to the skin. These ingredients not only allow the tattoo to heal up much faster, but it also helps protect the tattoo. Another thing that I really appreciate about this product is that it's not greasy like at all. Now, most of the time when you buy tattoo aftercare products that are known to make the tattoos pop, they leave your skin feeling a little bit greasy, but I can honestly say when using this, I did not ever experience that at all. There's nothing worse than when you apply something to your tattoos and then you say like, put on a jacket, for example, and because you applied the product to like your arm tattoos, it like sticks to your clothes and everything. Ugh, it just feels weird. If you know, you know. This product really makes your tattoos pop. Your skin really absorbs it well. Now, I noticed when I applied it to both my color tattoos and my black and gray tattoos, it worked good on both, but when you apply it to the color tattoos, this is where this product really shines. No pun intended. I do want to add that this product smells pretty damn good and it also lasts a really long time. You can find each one of these products listed and linked in the video description, so check them out there. And if you want to learn more about tattoos, be sure to check out this playlist right here and do not forget to subscribe. I appreciate you guys watching and I'll see you in the next video, so peace.